Hi there, John from Astrata here. This is just a quick video to show you how to install your brand new Astrata air mattress and what to expect. Your pressure mattress comes with a pad mattress, an air pump and a repair kit. To get started, simply unfold the air mattress on your bed. Tuck in the top and bottom flap under your bed to secure it in place. Pull the two-tube air hose apart at the ends and connect it onto the mattress and the air pump. Position the pump on a solid surface and turn it on. The firmness of the mattress can be dialed up and down. The device can be operated continuously for 23 hours, resting for 1 hour a day. The mattress is designed to periodically shift air between the air chambers. It prevents prolonged skin contact with the mattress and reduces pressure sores. Air will only come out of one nozzle at a time, and the device only shifts air from one chamber to the other every 6 to 10 minutes. It is designed to move air slowly without you feeling the movement, so that you can rest without being jostled around. So this is the real life speed. And this is the sped up version, so you can see the difference. The airflow is very gradual, so you can rest without being disturbed. We hope you enjoy the Astrata pressure mattress, and don't forget to contact us by emailing us if you have any issues at all. We are here to help.